Welcome children, let's talk about relational operators. So you can underline this line. They refer to the relationship between the values, and the values here means operands, okay? And there are 6 relational operators and they are used for comparing numbers and characters. And the answer of this, whenever you use these relational operators, the answer of this is always going to be Boolean. That means either you will get the answer as true or you will get the answer as false. And see, these are different type of relational operators: less than, greater than, not equal to, less than equal to, greater than equal to, or double equal to. And this is the table given here. So they have taken here P and Q, and the value is given here as 0, 1, 1, 0, and then 3, 3, and then 2, 6. Okay, so they are comparing. P less than Q is 0 less than Q. Answer is true. Okay, so P less than Q is 1 less than 0. Answer is false. Is 3 less than 3? Answer is false. Is 2 less than 6? Answer is true. Same way, you will have all these different type of operators and you can put the values and read out like that. So the relational operators have lower precedence than the arithmetic operators. You can underline this line. Precedence means priority. First arithmetic operators will be calculated and then the relational operators. Like for example, they have given here a plus c greater than c minus 2. So a plus c will solve first, c minus 2 will solve first. Whatever is the answer of this, then will be checked whether greater than or not. Same goes here. See, they are calculating how. Suppose it is done like this: a plus 5 greater than c. Now this is in bracket. Now first this will be solved, and then whatever is the answer will be added to a, and then 2 will be subtracted. So this is how it is done. And if we want to see that with some examples, so some examples of relational operators we can write. See, I can write it like this: 5 double equal to 5. Answer is going to be true. Or I can write a is equal to 4 and I can write b is equal to 6. So if I write is a greater than b, so answer is going to be false. If I write is a greater than equal to b, again answer is going to be false. Is a less than b? Answer is true. Is a less than equal to b? Answer is true. Is a double equal to b? Answer is false. It is checking whether the value of a is equal to b. Now this is equality operator, and you have also done one, a equal to 5. Now this is assignment operator. Okay, if you are using single, this is known as assignment operator. Reason being, this gives the value of 5 to a. And here if I write is a double equal to 5, now this is equality operator and it is checking whether the value of a is equal to 5. So these are 6 different type of relational operators which are always going to give you the answer is true and false. Hope this is clear to you.